Got a pair of Class 90s passing through Nuneaton. With Freightliners. 90043, all delivery 90009. It appears to be slowing down. I think it might be waiting for a train to pass. Which could be my train even. It will be the 802 Fancy West Coast service, the Euston stopping at Milton Keynes. I'm there today for the Great Electric Train Show. Late start filming, I've only just got in. 3:53.76 and 3:52.50 on the 8:30 London North Western Railway service, London Euston. This is the train I came in on leaving. 3:90.042 on the 8:30 service to London Euston. You have London North Western service arriving in on platform 1. That will be the 08:35 service to London Euston. It's a 350-2 on the front, 3:52.43. Uh-oh, someone who's not supposed to be here is on here. You've got a Pendolino arriving on the 08:36 service to Manchester Piccadilly, 3:91.30. Whilst leaving, we have the 08:35 London North Western service, London Euston, 3:52.43, and I've been bowled by 3:51.23. Whoa! Okay, loads of things at once. Well, I have to check real-time trains for some of this. Oh look, a 3:52 has been tagged. That's going off to Birmingham New Street, that one is, via Northampton. There's another fast train on the 5. The 08:37 should be leaving. Worked by 3:91.30, City of Edinburgh. And we've got a Pendolino passing on the platform 4. 3:91.22. And a name. But I'll check whilst I'm editing the video and put a subtitle saying what the name was, since it was too fast for me to read. 9:38 service to Birmingham New Street is now leaving. (8:38). Did I say 9:38? I've been up since 5:30. Two passing trains. 39128 on the Glasgow Central to London Euston service. And we've got 350 arriving as well. 35409 Leeds. Whilst 35267 is on the rear. And we've got freight. I believe those are the 290s as saw at Nuneaton earlier this morning. I'll refer to the other clip they've filmed and then insert the numbers as a subtitle.
The 8:49 London.
On the Vanity West Coast service arriving for Birmingham New Street from London Euston, 39043. And arriving now is London North Western service, which I could have waited for at Nuneaton, but I fancied the Pendolino more. 35107 is on the front, and we'll see what's on the rear. This will be the last clip of film at this time of the day because I'm here in Milton Keynes Central for the Great Electric Train Show today. Chances are the videos from that will have gone up before this one has. Departing now is the slightly delayed 0849 service to London Euston from Crewe, 35107, and on the rear 35369. And we shall be back here to film more clips in the evening. I am back now at Milton Keynes Central after attending the Great Electric Train Show. This is the 1718 service Crewe from Birmingham, London Euston. I could have got this one, but look, 352s are on both units, 35245 and 35240. It's 352s back to Nuneaton? No, thank you. Now having the Vanity West Coast Pendolino arriving on platform 6. This is the 1724 service, Birmingham New Street, slightly delayed, 396.045. And we have arriving on platform 4, 390.044, the Royal Scot, on a London Euston service. Now leaving on the slightly delayed 1724 service to Manchester Piccadilly is 39045. Birmingham Pride. So I've finally seen this one. Well, yeah, just one thing to point out. You see that hatching there? A member of Avanti staff just came off and told some people spotting that apparently you're not supposed to stand on that bit, so for the rest of this evening I'm going to make sure that I don't cross that bit there. Saw those ones this morning, I believe, because I recognise the graffiti. 35246 is on the front, and 350-123 is on the rear. Don't worry everyone, I'm making sure I keep off the hatching at the ends of the platforms. Now leaving is the 1733 service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton from London Euston. 35129 is on the front, and on the rear is 35403. Hey, we've got Pendolino coming through. 39013, Blackpool Bell. We've got a freight coming through. $66,001. We have 350 arriving.
This is two-set unit, one with 8 coaches. This is
35410 on the one, on the front, and on the rear, 35120. Now leaving on platform 6, we have the 1752 service to Birmingham New Street from London Euston, worked by 39125. Well, 66 arriving now. 6677744 Crossrail. I wonder why they haven't renamed it to Elizabeth Line yet, or Purple Train. And it has just started raining. I thought I'd give a weather update as well. That's 3:54:09 on a terminating service, waiting to go back out to London Euston later. I don't know what's on the end though. 39016 on the passing service. 3:54:09 is now leaving to head down to London Euston on the service starting at this station. We have a pair of 350s arriving. 3:51:30 on the front. And there's an advertisement for some place, so it'll be no, it's 3:51:06 on the rear. I thought that was dash 3 for a minute. This is the white ribbon. 350. I've been trying to film these two out, 3:52:50 and 3:52:44, but the rain's making it difficult for me to record, so I think I may have to quit it with the recording here until my train arrives if the rain doesn't stop anytime soon. The 18:07 service, Preston via Birmingham New Street, is now arriving in on 6. It was supposed to be on 5, but it's been platform altered. It's 3:91:14. See that one go out soon. Now arriving is the 18:17 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. (390:47). Leaving on platform 6 is the slightly delayed 18:07 service to Preston via Birmingham New Street. In City of Manchester. (391:14). Now departing is the 18:17 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Calling next at Watford Junction. 3:90:47. Here comes my train, which will take me to Nuneaton. 3:52:41 on the front. And thankfully on the rear it's not a 3:52. I was originally going to get the Avanti at 18:12, the Liverpool Lime Street service, but that was delayed at Euston. So that will end it for the videos at Milton Keynes Central today. If you enjoyed this video, do leave your likes and comments and subscribe for more if you enjoy what I do, and to the other spotters who are on the station as well, who spoke to me that are watching this and I shared details of the channel with. Hello to you if you're watching this. Yeah. This is not 352 in the rear. There is not many seats available, unfortunately. Well, there you have to stand. Anyways, goodbye everyone. Probably film this leaving Nuneaton to end the video. As promised, the 350s are caught out of Milton Keynes back to Nuneaton. Leaving Nuneaton. Front unit was 352.41 and the rear was 350.113. Can you guess which one I travelled in? Also, despite the seats being better on that one, I travelled in declassified first class because I have a happier that. Here's 391.54 speeding through as well. Yeah, since LNWR declassified first class, I've always been sitting in the first class sections every time I travel with them. But anyways, bye everyone. The video's now ending. I did say it was the end of the video, but I thought since I was unable to catch this at Milton Keynes, I've filmed 391.26 in. This was the train I was originally planning to catch to get to Nuneaton, but it was late leaving Euston for some reason. So I thought of filming the arriving shot before I wait for my train back to Leicester. Right, now I'll end the video. Bye everyone.